Today we are fixing one of the most annoying pivot table problems. Excel refuses to group dates. If you've ever clicked group and Excel snapped back with that cannot group selection message, that's it. Pivot tables won't group dates when the date column is not really a date. Sometimes it looks like a date, smells like a date, but Excel insists it's text. So you try to group by year or month, and Excel politely says no, try again. If you are lucky today, you'll spot all the bad values just by opening the filter. If luck runs out and the column is a jungle, you'll need a helper column to clean it up properly. We can use any maths operation that doesn't change the value, like multiply by 1 or add 0 to our dates. Open the filter and anything that lights up red in your brain, these are your culprits. You'll need to identify the problem and correct it. Some dates look fine, but hide invisible trouble. Wrap the columns with trim function. This removes trailing and leading spaces. To catch any other invisible characters, use clean function. It will help you to catch any other invisible characters from ERPs, web pages or CSV files. Still seeing errors? Try checking for dates typed in creative formats. It's almost always one thing, the date column is dirty. Text date, blank, weird values, hidden junk, one bad cells ruin the day. Once the helper column looks good enough, just copy and paste it into your date column. This freezes the cleaned data. But sometimes it's not enough. Some dates can still be interpreted as numbers, not just dates. You still need to select your column and change the format to short date or date. This will fix all the values that are still numeric. So let's type to group once more. Refresh your pivot table, right-click a date and group. Pick months, years, whatever you need. If the column is thoroughly clean, grouping will finally work. Modern Excel, Microsoft 365, handles blanks far better. Grouping usually works even if you have empty cells, but if you are on older versions, clean them up too. Blanks used to break everything. So replace them with some dates like January the 1st, 1900. Once you fix the column, grouping works instantly. No magic, no tricks, just proper data. And here is a real lesson. Try to clean your data as far upstream as possible. If your source is messy, your pivots will always suffer. Fix it at the import stage, not after the damage is done. Or think about automating it with Power Query. Set it up once and your pivot tables stop arguing with you. See ya!